single microbe, a single touch. That's all it takes. So how do you fight something you can't even see? There is a solution to total sanitization. When it comes to sanitization, the ultimate solution would be eco-friendly, non-toxic, and most of all, effective. That system is D7, the most powerful sanitization technology on Earth. The name stands for Decontamination Level 7. That number represents the highest decontamination rating recognized by government agencies. Consider a single airborne droplet from a contagious person. It's less than a millimeter across, smaller than a sewing needle. Yet, it can contain more than 1 million viruses. A single contaminated finger can leave behind 10 million viruses. Common disinfectants won't eliminate this entirely. A household sanitizing spray will exterminate 99.9% of all microorganisms. However, this still leaves 10,000 to continue living and multiplying. One level beyond, industrial-grade bleach still falls short, leaving 1,000 to infect new hosts. But D7 reduces microbes to virtually zero. This is the ultimate kill ratio, eliminating 99.9999% of all viruses and bacteria. Thoroughly treat a building with conventional products, and there is no guarantee of perfect hygiene. On the other hand, D7 permeates everywhere at a microscopic scale, while also removing unpleasant odors, even neutralizing dust and pollen particles, and so creating an environment with zero chance of infection, period. In short, D7 is at the leading edge of decontamination technology and the single most effective system for total sanitization.